guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. And this quiz is very different from other quiz because we have some repetition of the word which is 20. So here we have basic operation, minus, plus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list, we have four answers 40, 20, D is 0, and D is 1. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. So we will discuss here two rules, which is BODMAS and PAMDAS. B for bracket and P for parenthesis. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any power of any number on any number, so you have to solve after the bracket that one. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. One more thing, you have to solve simultaneously division and multiplication. What will we do? You will go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming. So if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. So both has the similar precedence. So we can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. So in our expression, luckily we do not have any bracket. So we can skip this step according to the BODMAS rule. And also we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step as well. Now, step number 3 is find out division and multiplication. So what we will do here, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So here we have first division. We cannot solve this one because they are subtracting each other. So first of all, we have to solve the division one. So we will write 20 minus 20 divided by 20 equals to 1. And this part I am writing as it is currently. And here we will give the reference 20 divided by 20 is 1. Now again we have to go left to right. So you cannot solve, we will see again division and multiplication. So you cannot solve this one first because this part is first we are dividing. So here we have 20 minus 1 plus, and again we have 20 divided by 20, which is equal to 1. And again we will give the reference here 20 divided by 20 equals to 1. Now we do not have any division and multiplication right now. So what we will do, we will solve now addition and subtraction. So here we have 20 minus 1, which is equals to 19. And plus 1, we will write as it is. Because first we have 20 minus 1, which is equal to 19. And now we have here two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them, which is equal to 20. So the answer of the given expression is 20. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and so that they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.